Reaction of Brown's hydroboration. Hydroboration is defined is in addition reaction between alkene containing boron and hydrogen bond. Now this molecule is 1-methyl cyclopentene in presence of BH3 and hydrogen peroxide to give trans 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Now mechanism. 1-methyl cyclopentene structure is unsymmetrical alkene in case where stereochemistry may be defined. Exclusive scene addition, regioselective addition is observed. BH3 is Lewis acid in empty p orbital and supplied hydride ion. Carbon-carbon pi bond is break and new carbon and hydrogen and carbon and boron sigma bond is formed. And boron is always attacked in less substituted carbon from less steric side via syn addition of hydrogen and boron. Boron is 2 more hydrogen in react with 2 alkene into give trialkyl boron. The oxidation of trialkyl boron with alkaline hydrogen peroxide replace boron atom with hydroxyl group in same stereochemical position. Boron is 4 valency in 1,2 alkyl shift in OH is removed. 1,2 alkyl shift in boron in 3 valency in react with H2O. OH attack in boron and H attack in oxygen in over finally trans 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Now other reaction is hydrolysis. 1-methyl cyclopentene in react with H plus and H2O to give product. Mechanism in 2 cases. Case 1, 1-methyl cyclopentene in carbon-carbon pi bond is break and H attack in second carbon in generate tertiary carbocation. In react with H2O in OH attack in carbocation and H is removed in major product. Case 2, 1-methyl cyclopentene in carbon-carbon pi bond is break and H attack in first carbon in generate secondary carbocation. In react with H2O, OH attack in carbocation and H is removed in minor product.